Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Faye. I am 4'9" and I like to make videos about kind of petite fashion and petite styling. So if you are yourself a petite person and you find it kind of really difficult to find clothes to fit you or to find kind of good quality clothes in your size, then this video is for you. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you have subscribed to my YouTube or you found me through TikTok, then you'll know that quite a few of my videos and a lot of my content kind of revolves around sharing information about where to buy petite clothes, because for me it is incredibly difficult to find kind of good quality flattering pieces in my size. So something that I really like to do is just kind of share that information, because as we girl boss, we do not gatekeep. So yeah, in today's video, I wanted to kind of not promote, because this is in no way a promotion video. I am not being paid to do this. And full disclaimer, I have not personally tried any of these brands, although I would like to. But for various reasons, I haven't kind of purchased anything from these brands yet. For various reasons, due to like stock availability or just like not needing particular items right now. But I am aware of these brands. They are definitely kind of on my radar and brands that I would like to try in the future. And today I just thought I would make a video about them, because I really think it's so difficult to find these kind of up and coming petite brands. And it can be an absolute nightmare kind of trying to filter out the good ones and maybe like the not so good ones. So in this video, I just wanted to kind of shine a light on 5 petite brands that I think are really cool. So the first brand that I'm going to talk about today is probably the most well-known out of all of the brands. And if you are on kind of luxury or designer YouTube, then you may well have come across this before, because it's actually the business of an influencer slash YouTuber on here called, I think, Layla Mirza. And if I'm pronouncing that wrong, I am so sorry. I will also put the name on screen as well. But if you are kind of on that side of YouTube, even if you're not subscribed to Layla, then you might have come across her videos, you might be aware of her. And I was actually this brand was brought to my attention by one of my TikTok followers who kind of recommended it. And if I'm honest, at first it was very much like an eye roll, kind of, another like YouTuber influencer has brought out their own kind of brand. It's probably not like a proper business, it's probably just merch that they've got. But I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised when I actually looked on their website, because first of all, it seems like a legit website. It's not a scam in any way. It's not just kind of merchandise, like printed t-shirts. It does look like this is a real business, and the pieces that are on sale on the website are actually kind of very, well, I can't tell because I haven't tried them, but by the looks of them, they are quite high quality and also kind of well priced for what you get. The styles are very chic. They are quite timeless. They're a little bit on the trendy side, but I think they're kind of basic in a way that they will kind of last the test of time. They're not kind of flared tie-dye joggers, you know, that you won't wear in a few years. The pieces on this website are very kind of classic and very basic, and they do appear to be well made. And looking at the composition of some of these pieces, there's quite a lot of like cotton blends, so they're using good quality, like high quality fabrics. And it is something that I would be really excited to try in the future. So if you are a petite lady and you are just looking for some really basic pieces, like a shirt or like a nice pair of flared trousers that don't kind of go all the way to the floor and beyond, then definitely check out Petite The Brand. I really like their style, and as soon as they come back in stock in my size, I will definitely be doing a review. And the second petite brand that I wanted to talk about today is a petite activewear brand called Lacuna Fit. And I came across this brand on Instagram, and I just want to clarify that it's definitely not some sort of like Instagram merch kind of brand. It is a real business which was founded by a lady called Lucy, who I believe is 5 foot tall. And she founded this business because like myself and like so many other petite ladies, she was kind of sick of having to buy kind of cheap quality, really bad quality kind of leggings that would like also bunch up at the ankles. So she has built a business on producing petite activewear for actual petite ladies. And again, I have not personally tried this brand myself, although it is a brand that I would like to try once my kind of ASOS leggings have kind of done their job, shall we say. They're kind of falling apart at the moment, but I can't kind of justify putting them to one side just yet. So once it gets to the point where I do very much need some more leggings and some more activewear, I will definitely be trying them out. And I also recommend them to people who ask me, because although again I haven't personally tried them, they have a lot of kind of really good reviews on their website. Their items seem to be really high quality. They kind of pride themselves on the fact that their leggings are very thick and they don't get see-through. And yeah, to anyone who's looking for petite activewear, I would definitely check them out. I think their inseam is a 25-inch leg. I will double check that, but again, they are designed for petite ladies. Anyone kind of 5 foot would definitely benefit from them. And yeah, it's definitely something that I want to try out in the future. So if you're looking for new leggings and you're a petite lady, check out Lacuna Fit. So the third brand that I wanted to talk about today is another UK founded business called the Shortlist. Now, again, I haven't tried this brand simply because they have kind of started off their kind of business just producing straight sizes or standard sizes, which I totally get, that's fine. But I kind of messaged them on Instagram the other day to say, oh, will you be in the future making smaller sizes? And they said, yes, definitely, we're hoping to produce a few more pieces in kind of smaller sizes. So at that point, if they do, then I will definitely kind of make another video to update you on that. But kind of just to give you an idea of what they produce, they, on their kind of website and on their Instagram profile, they consider their pieces to be gorgeous, limited edition pieces made in the UK and shipped worldwide. And I also think they have kind of a sustainable kind of process to making their pieces, which obviously is kind of highlighted in the fact that they are kind of one-off pieces. What I will say though is that their prices would definitely not be considered accessible. However, I do think that is a reflection of the quality, the fact that their kind of clothes are all limited edition, kind of handmade pieces, and also the fact that they are kind of classic styles that you can wear forever. So whilst it's not going to be like a fast fashion, I'm going to do like a haul from Shortlist. Their pieces definitely seem to be kind of high quality and also kind of sustainably made. So that's just kind of a justification for the price. And taking a look on their website, they have a lot of items that would be considered kind of trendy, but not too trendy. Items such as like the bias cut skirt, things like a slip dress, which are kind of closet staples really. I know they're quite popular at the moment, but ultimately those kind of items are going to be things that you can wear for years and years to come. Their styles seem to be quite kind of flattering. They definitely take into consideration smaller bodies, which I like. And yeah, it's definitely something that I would like to try in the future. So Shortlist, if you decide to make smaller pieces in a size 4, then definitely let me know, because I would be very interested in purchasing maybe one or more of your pieces. So yeah, definitely one to look out for. So the fourth brand that I wanted to talk about today is actually a petite lingerie brand called La Femme Petite. Now, they are based in Australia, and looking on their website, they produce very kind of romantic, blush, like lots of lace kind of styled lingerie pieces, including kind of strappy bras and bodysuits. But there is also a focus on petite ladies, which I really like, because I don't think I had properly come across a lingerie website before that had petite women in mind. And I'm not talking about kind of shape or size, rather height. And the thing that I love about their website is that they do really kind of center their pieces around shorter bodies. And just to read you something from their website, They say that their mission is to create timeless, sensual pieces that inspire petite women to celebrate their individuality and uniqueness. And in terms of sizing, they go down to a size 4, which I think is a Australian size 4, which is around a size 0 or a size 2 in the UK, and AA cup sizes. And the sizes also kind of comfortably fit women who are 4'10", and they go up to an Australian size 10. They have some really nice kind of romantic pieces like sets and bodysuits, so if that is something that you're interested in, I would definitely check them out. They also have kind of quite reasonable pricing. I think things like bodysuits are around kind of £50 in the UK. I'm not quite sure what they are in like Australian dollars, but yeah, I kind of did the currency kind of translator, whatever you call it, and they seem to be quite well priced, quite reasonably priced. So if you're into romantic underwear and you are a petite lady, you have kind of a smaller cup size and a smaller band, then definitely try out La Femme Petite. And the fifth and final brand that I wanted to talk about today is a brand called Offbeat Petite. Now, they are a vintage store online and they have their own website, but they are also on ASOS Marketplace, I believe. And if you're a petite lady that likes kind of 80s and 90s kind of secondhand vintage pieces, then this is definitely for you. All of their items are modelled on a lady who I think is 5'2", which I really like. I like when pieces are actually modelled on petite ladies. And yeah, their pieces go from like, I think a size 6 UK up to about a size 16. And yeah, they have a really great range. So if you're into kind of vintage and thrifted pieces, definitely check them out. I'll link them down below. So those are kind of 5 lesser known petite brands that I just wanted to share with you today, because if you're a petite lady like myself, you know kind of how difficult it is to buy petite clothing. So I really hope that this has been enjoyable. I hope it's been helpful, and if it has, then I would appreciate you giving me like a little like, so that I can kind of see what videos you guys like, see which ones are kind of helpful and useful. And if you're new here and you enjoyed this video, then please do consider subscribing, because I hope to be making a lot more videos in the future. Also, as always, if there's anything that you would like to see particularly, I've got a few videos in the pipeline, but if there's any kind of specific kind of suggestions or requests, do let me know down in the comments, and I will definitely try my best to make a video. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys all have a lovely week, a lovely weekend, have an absolutely fantastic day, and I hope to see you in my next one.